Good morning to everybody. I am Ashan Singh of Science faculty. Today I am going to teach the topic electricity in physics of class 10th. At first I would like to define the electric current. The rate of flow of electric charge through the conductor is said to be electric current. Student, let us have the expression for electric current. Let the electric charge Q be passing through the conductor in t seconds according to the definition of electric current. In t seconds, the electric charge passes equal to Q. Therefore, in 1 second, the electric charge passes through Q by T. According to the definition of electric current, current I will be equal to Q by T. I will be equal to Q by T. Just understand, in T second, the electric charge passes will be Q. Then in 1 second, the electric charge passes through the conductor is equal to Q by T. So I will be equal to Q by T, where I represents the electric current. Now we are going to discuss about the SI unit of electric current. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. This may be represented as I is equal to Q by T. The SI unit of electric charge is equal to Coulomb, whereas the SI unit of time is second. So it may write 1C by 1S, and this will be equal to ampere. So ampere may be defined as the SI unit of electric current. Ampere may be defined as if 1 coulomb of electric charge passes through the conductor in 1 second, then this is said to be 1 ampere or ampere. So SI unit of electric current is ampere. Now we are going to talk about the other topics of the electricity, like electric circuit. An electric circuit may be defined as the closed continuous path of an electric current is said to be an electric circuit. This can be represented and shown by the figure. It sells switch, ammeter, resistance, it's a volt resistance, it's a voltmeter. This is the diagram of an electric circuit. In electric circuits, many components are connected like cells, ammeter, voltmeter, resistance, which is also known as resistors. Resistance may be said as resistors or conductor. Okay? And now I am going to discuss about the types of electric circuit. Types of electric circuits. There are two types of electric circuits. One of them is open circuit and other one is closed circuit. Just try to understand both of them by the definition. Electric circuit open circuit and that is closed circuit. Now I am going to define open circuit. An electric circuit through which no current passes is said to be open circuit. An electric circuit through which no electric current passes is said to be open circuit. And for closed circuit, an electric circuit through which an electric current passes by. This can be shown by the two figures. Just try to understand. It's an open circuit. Now in the first figure, now this is the first figure for open circuit in which different electrical gadgets are connected, but electric current doesn't pass through this, so this is said to be open circuit. But in the second figure, we can see that electric current passes through